Hi guys, today I'm testing out another mold. This one's a ballerina. I'm going to mix up two colors because there is like a little indentation there for the tutu and there's one bit for the shoe, so I thought I'd do that a different color, let it sit for a while before I added a color over the top. So I'm going to mix up some epoxy resin and I'm going to add a holographic silver resin to this dress part of it without trying to make too much of a mess. Okay, I'm gonna grab my little toothpick tool and work that in and make sure that that's in the crevices there, and then I'm gonna let that sit for a few hours before I put the other color on, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 4 hours, so I'm coming back to put the top layer on, and I'm using a different color. I'm going to use a hot pink holographic glitter, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, I'm going to hit that with my blowtorch and pop any bubbles, and I'm just going to make sure that they're all in those little tiny bits there. I might run this through, and then I'll let that cure for a few days, and I'll be back for the unmolding. Well, it's been a few days. Time to unmold this and see how it worked. Wow, those two colors have worked really well together. What a great mold. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Please help my channel grow, and I'll be back soon with different resin molds to try out. See you guys. Bye.